Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many iOS developers face when working with YouTube data up API. It's just not functioning as expected. If you've been struggling to get your app to fetch data from YouTube or wondering why your API calls are failing, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll dive into the possible reasons behind this frustrating issue and explore some potential solutions. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of what might be causing the problem and how to troubleshoot it. So, let's get started. When working with YouTube data API, there are several factors that can cause issues. One common reason is authentication problems. Are you using the correct credentials? Have you enabled the right APIs in the Google Cloud console? Make sure you've set up your auth, client ID, and client secret correctly. Another potential issue could be related to API quotas and usage limits. YouTube has strict guidelines on how many requests can be made within a certain time frame. If your app exceeds these limits, it will result in errors and failed API calls. Be mindful of the number of requests you're making and consider implementing a catching mechanism or exponential backoff strategy. Additionally, there might be problems with the API endpoint URLs or parameters. Double check that you're using the correct base URL, path, and query parameters for your specific request. Sometimes it's easy to overlook a small mistake in the URL or forget to include required parameters. Furthermore, ensure that your iOS app has the necessary permissions and is configured correctly. Have you added the necessary frameworks and libraries? Are you handling errors properly? Lastly, don't underestimate the power of caching. If your app relies heavily on fetching data from YouTube, consider implementing a caching layer to reduce the number of requests made to the API. To recap, when troubleshooting issues with YouTube data API, in your iOS application, remember to verify authentication, credentials, and setup. Check API quotas and usage limit. Ensure correct API endpoint URLs and parameters. Confirm necessary permissions and configuration. Implement catching mechanisms. By considering these key points, you'll be well on your way to resolving the issue and getting your app up and running smoothly. That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful or have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on iOS development, AI troubleshooting, and more. Have a specific question about YouTube data API? Ask away in the comments, and we'll do our best to help you out. If you've encountered other issues with your iOS app, share them with us, and we might feature it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you all in the next one.